Hey everyone, we are back. Sorry about that. I almost in the camera again. So yeah, we are on the train. As you saw in the previous video, we are on the train. Oh, and I hope you actually did listen to that wolf. Yeah, that wolf really wanted thumbs. So I hope you gave. Big screen! Woo! Sorry about that. Once again, I'm new to recording. Close up on the eye. This is a close up on my eyeball. I hope you enjoyed that close up on my eyeball. Here's a close up on my other eye. We can make some popcorn. And yeah, pretty soon we might be moving. At 3 we will be taking off. I will come back when we are taking off. Until then, goodbye. I think we might be moving very soon. From the sounds of it, I think I'm right. Sorry about that, smart people. This video isn't really good at. So go check out our channel, or in the link below, right down there. Click the subscribe button. Did the idiot run and run into the subscribe button?
Some like deliverance type moments.
Right now I'm eating kettle corn. Would you like some Korean smart would you like some would you like some popcorn, smart person? Maybe you should hold it because you're in the middle. Hunter, popcorn.
I don't really want to hold it.
Let me just sit here. Okay. And people bring buildings by location. Bring the waterfall down.
No, it's alright. We're gonna do that.
It's really cute. I'll put you inside the bag. I bet you've always wanted to be inside.
Watching Stranger Things.
On this train, we eat popcorn. Because that's what we do on this train.
They're going to bring you back. The same primary character, and then they're introducing new ones. But it's going to start a year later. So good. At the end of the build, toss up whatever that thing is, you're like, oh no.
Before the train starts moving,
So those things are eggs that he tossed up.
I'll give you a
Like
glimpse.
an alien thing where he's pregnant with like the new Demogorgons.
I'm outside before we leave.
Into the right side up.
That's outside. That's the last you're gonna see of outside. Nothing happened. Like nothing happened.
Follow all instructions from your life book. So you know who you can ask for way back there in the cabooses Lion Mike. In that first open car I own that has the Ramses Lion Kim. In the middle open car there's Lee Balls' Lion Belinda.
could be dead Barb.
Front open car Bentley is Lion Sky. In coach car 208 is Lion Karen. In the middle coach car 971 is Lion Tori. And in that very front coach car 960 behind the locomotive are Lion John and Lila. We do have emergency medical technicians on board, so should you feel an emergency, let your Lion host know. Be sure to get the EMT triage. This is absolutely a non-smoking train at any time. That includes cigars, cigarettes, pipes. If you are smoking, we're going to assume you're on fire. And we'll take appropriate action as we cross that line. 160 feet above the water. And do not throw anything off the train as you use any rapidly rambunctious spouses or any other.
This is a close-up on my eye.
So we ask that you keep all your body parts inside the train. We want you to go home with all the bits and pieces you can. When you hear that train whistle, that means the train is a part.
Bye, everyone. Say goodbye.
Hold on to the rails, make a new friend. Sometimes the train will jump just a bit. But most of all, we want you to enjoy this wonderful fall
Just listen.
ride.
The train will be jumping, so that means the camera will.
Well, that's what they used to haul base with.
And I think this is a good spot to end this video. Goodbye.
It was funny to me that the bad guy was the Department of Energy.